Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing these GearLight flashlights. So there's the S1000 LED tactical flashlight 2-pack. Let's go. Super bright, multiple modes, zoomable design, weather resistant, nice, drop resistant, and AAA batteries are needed. So here's the back, lists all the features. Batteries are not included in this pack. All right, let's get into it. Well, let's check this out first. Lithium-ion batteries, okay, I think we know that. All right, let's get into it. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can order this from, and let me know if you guys have this, what you think of this in the comment section below. Okay, don't know what this is for. 2 batteries, two flashlights, sorry, excuse me. All right, let's take everything out. Yep, boom. I have no idea what this is for. We'll set that aside. Ooh, 2 holsters. GearLight, oh, interesting. 2 holsters, I think this is interesting. The moment we've all been waiting for. GearLight. I like red buttons, a nice touch, very cool. LEDs, let's go. The modes. Ah, I see. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, again, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy these from, and let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. All right, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Take care. Catch you in the next unboxing video. Later.